Morning guys, just finished putting this trade idea into the squad. It's early morning, so I'm just gonna put the order in and then I'll play the trade and then I'll come back and explain it to you. But essentially what I'm doing is I'm looking for the break of this top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cross off the top of that candle there to move up for approximately 20 pips, give or take. Okay. That's the plan, and I'm going to follow a 5-minute candle down. So first of all, I just need to go to the top of there, set the order in. Okay, so that order's in. It only needs to be 20 pips for this morning, and that's it. And it's based on what I normally do. Got a few things to do, so I'm just going to let this run, and it might take it half an hour or so. Okay, catch you. Okay guys, I'm going to kill this off and then come back to it later on because it's now shade over 10 to 8, coming on to 5 to 8, and this could go either way on the open, and I don't really want to take an open on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it run over into positive, and I'm just going to get out. Now, we should have got out a little second ago. Just move that over here so you can see what it is that I'm up to. Just drop that over there. Okay, out. Right, there's very good reason why I get out at that point. The thing with the markets is this could easily squirt into target, and it possibly might, but it can also slam the opposite direction. Why? Because the opens are incredibly dangerous, and I would rather not trade it for an hour and then come back than take the open on. It's one of those situations where the premise of this trade is correct. It's moving up. We can see it, you know, looking for the break, come back up onto here, but it could easily just go right on the open. We know people might want to buy it. There'll be a manipulation push, and that'll be right. There's a pull down here. slam the trade into it and wipe everybody out. And I just don't want to take the risk because it's an unknown factor. If it's an unknown factor, I'll step away from it. So I'm not going to take it through the open. I'm taking the decision just to make certain to get out. And there we are, we're out. Okay, so it's only £3, but don't matter. It's £3 safe, and I'll just come back to this at 9 o'clock. Hope that helps. Catch you in a bit, guys.